Hey guys, I've got a couple of jet skis here. They're 2002 Sea-Doo RXDI. They're the 951cc engines, and one of them was running great. The other one was not running. It would run, it would start up no problem, sit there and idle. It would run up to around 3,700 RPMs, but it wouldn't open up and go. If I continued to drive it like that, it would die. I think it would flood out was the issue, but it would die and it wouldn't start again till the next day, or unless you pull the plugs and dried them out. So I watched some videos, and one of the guys nailed it. He had the same issue. It wasn't revving up, and he found one of his reeds was broken on the reed valves. And I tried to find some videos to show me where the reed valve was located, and I couldn't find it, or better yet, a video showing me how to replace the reed valve. So I'm going to put this video together and show you guys where the reed valve is located and how to get to it. So when you come in here, I've already got it tore down, and I pulled my reed valve out, and I found that's actually what my issue was. If you look at my reed valve, this is what a good one looks like. You know, these are your reeds here on the top, and if you look through them from this side, you shouldn't see any daylight. But this one had the broken reed valve, the broken reed, sorry. Kind of hard to see from that side, but it's right there on the end. If you look through it from this side, you can see one of them's broken off. So this is the reed. It's going to go back in there, a little reed pedal. Here's the part number in case you need it. So how you get to it, where it's located, if you come in on your engine, it's located right down here. One of them goes in right here, and the other one goes in right over here. So coming into it, this is your exhaust manifold, and you got your big exhaust tube that comes off with water jackets on it. So you remove these 4 bolts. You loosen this big clamp and shove it out of the way. There's a few water jackets that go to it for your water jacketing to cool it. And then there's another line down here on the bottom that connects up to this big exhaust tube. It curves around, connects over to here. I think there's another line right up here that connects, but you unbolt that, you pull it out, and then there's a big plastic housing right here that goes around your throttle body on the intake manifold. So this is your intake manifold down here. And you got a throttle body that attaches to that, which is right here. I've just got it laying in the bottom, but this is your throttle body. It's got a couple connectors right here. One that goes up on the housing for the reed valve. Another one over here. So you pop that connector loose. You pop that connector loose, and then it's just loosen up these 2 radiator hose clamps, and you can pull the throttle body off. So I popped the throttle body off and I laid it down there, and then you can get to your reed valves, and it's just 6 bolts per reed valve, and there's 2 reed valves. So they were, boy, I don't remember what size they were. I've got it right here, 10 millimeter bolts. Right here, and here, and then 3 on the bottom as well. There was 1 clip right there. Oh, I already showed you that one. So yeah, that was it. That's where they're located. That's how you get them out. It really wasn't bad. It took me about an hour, maybe an hour and a half to get them out. And I was happy to find that the guy was right. That's why my jet ski wasn't revving up. So that's it.